So now let's go over some general concepts about how you write chemical equations and how to balance it. So chemical equation shows you what happens in a chemical reaction, in the simple chemical reaction. On the left side of the chemical equation are reactants, the substances that undergo change. On the right side are products, the substances that are formed as the result of the reaction. And the whole chemical equation demonstrates which reactants are needed to form the products and the quantities in which these reactants react with each other. So the arrow shows the direction of the chemical reaction, okay? If you need multiple reactants or there are multiple products, you use pluses. So like hydrogen plus oxygen, arrow, water. The conditions of the reaction that are required, like temperature, pH, pressure, catalyst, and so on and so forth, are written above the arrow. Okay? Important to remember that matter is not created or destroyed during the reaction, so it's just changed, which means, and this is extremely important, there's a certain number of atoms in reactants. The number of the same atoms will be exactly the same in the products. And knowing this, we can equalize, we can balance the chemical reaction. Now, this is what we're going to be doing. Okay? So we're going to write the equation. Okay? We're going to compare the numbers of atoms of each element on the left and right side. And then we're going to balance the equation using so-called coefficients. Coefficients are written in front of the formulas, in front of the chemicals. Subscripts never change when we balance the equation. Okay? Polyatomic ions often can be balanced as a single unit, and the formula of water is H2O or HOH. Can be useful sometimes. So let's go over the example here. Okay, go on a second. So this is what we've got. We've got magnesium interacting with silver nitrate, resulting in magnesium nitrate and elementary silver. Okay? So what do we have on the left? 1 magnesium, 1 silver, 1 nitrate. What do we have on the right? 1 magnesium, 1 silver, 2 nitrates. So what's not balanced? 2 nitrates. So let's balance nitrates first. We need to multiply the silver nitrate by 2. We need to take 2 molecules. See that? Now, what do we have on the left now? 1 magnesium, 2 silvers, 2 nitrates. What do we have on the right? 1 magnesium, 1 silver, 2 nitrates. What's not balanced? Silver. All we need to do is to add coefficient 2 to the silver in the products. So next iteration will be 1 magnesium, 2 silvers and 2 nitrates on the left, 1 magnesium, 2 silvers and 2 nitrates on the right. They are all balanced. Does that make sense? You always should check that your reaction is fully balanced and the number of every atom on the left side is the same as the number of the same atoms on the right side. Clear? So now go ahead and do balance these following equations.